Jatend migao mar gedo mar Apeyni kod chal mar ndara Davis Chirchir ne ochopo e nyim od bura mar senet mar duoko penjo ewi moko kuom okenge mag dongruok e sektano kod weche mamulo masira mag apaya mosebedo katimore pacho kaendi. E nyim od burano, Chirchir nosingo ni migao mare oseketo okenge mag jiwo chenro mag medo kwan picha mag CCTV Apeyni mapachoka mar mako jogo matiyo marach gi ndara kendo mariembo matek. Seneta ma Kisumu Professor Jatend bende ne okawo thuolono mar penjo chal mar tieko ndara mawuok junction ma Muhoroni nyaka Mamboleo. Jatend migao no owacho ni chenro mag gedo mag ndernigo moriwo koda kama wase nyaka Katito pod ni e rameny mar sirikal kendo gin e chenro mag neno ni oro tiekogi kaluwore gi tie mar budget.
You may or may not be aware that we are currently working on implementation of a number of cameras in our cities, and so it's not so much the testing, it's more of the budget, and so we will move quickly to ensure that we do deterrent when road users know that our cameras are available and watching them, or when we know we are being watched, we tend to really do what is right. So we'll work to ensure that we provide budgets, and rather than just have one camera on that road, if we had 4, 5, 6 mobile cameras, and road users for deterrent purposes do not quite know where the camera is because they are mobile, we should certainly bring up the level of discipline and be able to curtail the accidents, the rampant accidents on our road.
Bwana CS, just can you confirm the timelines for the completion of the Muhoroni Junction Mamboleo Road, and whether there are any plans to improve to bitumen status the Awasi Katito Road, which is only 19 kilometers?
Let me not make a commitment on the floor of the House because a number of these require budgetary scrutiny. We need to work very closely together. Professor, we can sit down and look at level of accommodation on the basis of prioritization of roads in the county, but more importantly to say we currently have commitments on our ongoing projects totaling to about 2.1 trillion Kenya shillings. And for the budgeted allocation of about 50 million every year, that would take us about 20, 30 years. I don't want to say 40 years because 2 trillion divided by 50 is 40. And so we really need to tread very carefully and do proper prioritization, do proper affirmative to ensure that we are building Kenya in an equitable way.